Welcome to the Creative Hagja. In today's tutorial, we will be recreating the Android logo using Affinity Designer. Create a new document with the following properties. Go up top to View and turn on Show Guides and Show Rulers. Then drag a guide from the top down to the 540 pixels. Then drag another guide from the left side and drag it to 950 pixels. Grab the rectangle tool or press M for the shortcut. Hold Ctrl plus Shift to drag a rectangle. Place the rectangle in the center of the two guides. Make sure your snapping is turned on, and you can snap the following properties that you see on the screen. Undo the stroke color. Double click on the fill color and give it the following fill color: 3DDC84. Or you can also type in the RGB color. Next, grab the rectangle tool again and draw a rectangle on the left side of the bigger rectangle. Make sure that the top of the two rectangles line up with each other. Select the rectangle you just created and hold Ctrl plus Shift on the keyboard to drag a duplicate of the rectangle to the other side of the bigger rectangle. Select both of the two smaller rectangles and then go up to the context toolbar. Then in the context toolbar, turn the corners to rounded and set the corner percent to 50%. Select the bigger rectangle and then select the corner tool. Click the bottom left node and then Shift to press the bottom right node. Go to the context toolbar and set the radius of the two corners to 55 pixels. Select the left rectangle and press Ctrl plus J to duplicate it. Drag the duplicated rectangle down to the bottom of the bigger rectangle to make the leg of the Android. Hold Ctrl plus Shift with the rounded rectangle selected and drag a copy of that rectangle to the right side for the other leg. Grab the ellipse tool and hold Ctrl plus Shift to draw an ellipse that's the same size of the bigger rectangle. Grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle going across the middle of the ellipse. Make sure that the bottom of the rectangle goes beyond the ellipse. Select the Move tool and then hold Shift to select both the circle and the rectangle. Go to the Pathfinder panel and select Subtract. Take the half ellipse and place it over top of the bigger rectangle, leaving space between the two shapes. Grab the ellipse tool again. Hold Ctrl plus Shift to draw an ellipse. Select the Move tool and then press Ctrl plus J to make a duplicate of that ellipse. Press Ctrl plus Shift to drag a duplicate of the ellipse to the right side. Select your half ellipse, the bigger one that's the head of the droid, and press Ctrl plus J to make a duplicate of it. With that shape still selected, go over to your Layers panel and press Ctrl to also select the two ellipses. Then go up to your Pathfinder panel and select Subtract. Now go back to your Layers panel and delete the original half ellipse. Grab your rectangle tool and draw a skinny rectangle. Hold Shift and rotate the rectangle to 45 degrees. Place the rectangle on top of the droid's head. You can adjust the size of the rectangle as needed. Select the rectangle and press Ctrl plus J to make a duplicate of it. Go to your rotation panel and select Flip horizontal. Hold Shift and drag the rectangle to the right side of the droid's head. And that's the Android logo. To remove your guides, go to View and uncheck the Show Guides.